Hello may udto. Niyaw naghiwa na ta sa atong lamas kay nga atong recipe karon para sa paniudto. Ginataang munggos no. So naglata na ta daag munggos no. Kana mga lamas ato na i-prepare kay atong gisahon butan sa atong mga lamas ang atong munggo. So fry the spices before putting in the munggo. Here's our munggo. It's already cooked. It is with lemongrass already. It has a little salt already. So we'll start cooking. We are using a little bit oil. I had to pour an oil there. And we had a salt, table salt. And there's a Malayan pink salt also. For the final test, we'll give that Malayan salt. And we had our squash. So what we will do is to fry the spices first. So there's just that little oil. Just make it hot, then we will put in the spices. We'll put on the onion first. There's the onion. We'll sprinkle a little salt so that the spices will be tasty. Just a little iodized salt there. Then if the red onion, that's a red onion. If the red onion is cooked like brown already, a little bit brown, or it's cooked, we'll put on that one, the garlic. Then we have our ginger chopped into small pieces so that we could eat that one with the mungo. It looks like mungo already. There. It's tasty when compared to the one if you will not fry your spices. It's not so like the aroma is not, you cannot feel the aroma, but if you do like this, now we'll put on the garlic. Spices first, all spices. Then we'll put on the ginger, chopped into small pieces like mungo. It looks like mungo already because others will not eat ginger. So instead, they can eat because it is with the spices and it's chopped into small pieces. There. Then to make it like aromatic, more aromatic, you sprinkle a little bit of white pepper. There. A little white pepper. There. Before you pour in the mungo already, it's cooked already. You pour it in, stir it for a while so that the aroma will penetrate the mungo. There. Then boil hot water on the kettle. There. Then we will pour in the squash chop into pieces like big as that. It's there. And we will let it cover it and let it simmer for we'll cover it and we'll let it simmer for how many. Oh, it's not the one, it's not the correct cover, correct lid, correct lid. So we will find the cover and the lid. Where's the lid for that? To find another cover, yeah, just like that. There. And we will let it simmer for how